Namaskar everyone, I hope all are doing well. So, in this session, we will discuss a very interesting chapter that is body movements, right? So, first in body movements, this chapters, we must know about skeletal system, right? So, bones in our body form the framework that supports the whole body, and this framework is called the skeleton. And our skeleton is made up of a number of bones and cartilages, and there are about 650 muscles attached to the various bones in our body. And the bones are hard and rigid, cartilages are comparatively soft and elastic. And so, this is all about the skeletal system. तो हमारे जो बोन्स है बॉडी में वो एक फ्रेमवर्क बनाते हैं जो हमारे होल बॉडी को सपोर्ट देता है. ओके, सो वो वाले फ्रेमवर्क को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? स्केलेटन. एंड नेक्स्ट है फंक्शंस ऑफ स्केलेटन, ये हमें जानना है. स्केलेटन सिस्टम गिव सपोर्ट टू द बॉडी, इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द इनर ऑर्गन, बॉडी को सपोर्ट करता है, इनर ऑर्गन को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. एंड टुगेदर विथ मसल्स इट गिव्स द बॉडी इट्स शेप. So red blood cells and some white blood cells are produced in the marrow of the bone. So these are all the functions of skeleton. Next, we must know about X-ray machine. So we can get photographs of bones by a machine called X-ray machine. Doctors use these photographs to examine the injuries and diseases of bones. The bones in our body vary in their sizes and shapes, and different types of sea bones have different functions, right? नेक्स्ट दिस दिया है द स्कल हैज़ टू मैनी पार्ट्स. दो पार्ट है स्कल का. फर्स्ट वन इज़ क्रेनियम एंड सेकेंड वन इज़ फेशियल बोन्स, राइट? जो बोन्स है क्रेनियम के वो थोड़े फ्लैट होते हैं एंड इट कवर्स एंड प्रोटेक्ट्स द ब्रेन. एंड फेशियल बोन कैसे हो जाएगा? अपर जॉ, लोअर जॉ एंड फ्यू अदर बोन्स को वो इट कंप्राइजेज द अपर जॉ, लोअर जॉ एंड फ्यू अदर बोन्स. एंड द लोअर जॉ इज़ मूवेबल, मूव कर सकता है. And the movement of lower jaw enables us to eat, talk and sing, right? Facial bones. And then eye sockets. The skull also includes a pair of eye sockets, and these form a safe pocket for eyes. Pocket बनाता है eyes के लिए, eye socket. And then है backbone. Backbone क्या होता है? Backbone is composed of 33 small ring-like vertebrae joined end to end, and it forms a hollow bony tube, and the main nerve cord passes through it. Okay, that is backbone. And next is chest bone. Chest bone में 12 pair of ribs रहता है along with the backbone make a cone shaped cage called rib cage which protects the heart. Shoulder bone. The shoulder bone is formed by the collarbone and the shoulder blade, and the shoulder bones are flat and large. They help in forming joints with long bones. Okay. Next, hip bone. The hip bone is formed by the fusion of three bones, and like shoulder bones, the hip bones are also flat and large. They help in forming joints with long bones, and together with the last two parts of backbone, it forms a large bony ball called pelvis, right? And next we have hands and legs के bones होते हैं, ये भी है and they are very much longer. They give strength to our body. Bones of fingers and toes are short. They help us in holding things. The hands and legs are constructed in same pattern, right? अपर आर्म, फोर आर्म, रिस्ट, पाम, फिंगर, ये सबका जो बोन होता है कैसे रहता है? वन लॉन्ग बोन, टू लॉन्ग बोन, छोटे छोटे बोन्स, 5 बोन्स, 3 स्मॉल बोन. बोन जॉइंट, जहाँ पे दो बोन या दो से ज़्यादा बोन एक जगह पे मीट करती है उस जगह को हम क्या बोलेंगे? बोन जॉइंट. 5 तरह का जॉइंट होता है हमारे बॉडी में मेनली. फर्स्ट है फिक्स जॉइंट विच डू नॉट अलाउ मूवमेंट, एग्जाम्पल जॉइंट्स ऑफ क्रेनियम. सेकेंड है बॉल एंड सॉकेट जॉइंट, allow movement in all directions, example joints between upper arm and shoulder, thigh and hip. Okay. Third है pivotal joint, allows movement in many planes, example skull makes such joint with first two vertebrae. Fourth is hinge joint, allow movement only in one direction, एक ही direction में, जैसे finger, the knee. And then gliding joint allows only a limited amount of movement, example joints of backbone, right? So first is fixed joint, then ball and socket joint, then pivotal joint, hinge joint and gliding joint. So these are all the joints. Then muscles. The bones are moved by the alternate contractions and relaxation of two sets of muscles, right? Then tendons and ligament. Tendons क्या है? It joins muscles to the bones, and ligament joins two bones. Bristles are hair-like structure connected with muscle. The bristle help to get a good grip on the ground. Then cavity, it is the hollow space or cavity in one bone into which the other bone fits, and such joint allows movement in all direction. हॉलो स्पेस है जहाँ पे एक बोन दूसरे बोन से फिट होता है एंड हर एक डायरेक्शन में आप मूव कर सकते हो. सच जॉइंट, दैट इज कैविटी. एंड देन कुछ कुछ एनिमल्स होता है उनमें क्या होता है, बोन्स प्रेजेंट नहीं होता है. सो उनके पास मसल रहता है एंड ड्यूरिंग मूवमेंट जो फ्रंट पार्ट है बॉडी का एनिमल का वो उनको फिक्स रखना पड़ता है. So after that animal fixes the front end and releases the rear end, and now animal shortens the body and pulls the rear end forward. So during this practice animal moves forward by a small distance, that is gait of animals. Okay, next है rib cage के बारे में दिया है. Ribs join with the chest bone and the backbone together to form a box and this is called rib cage. Okay, and locomotion दो तरह का होता है. First is the organism move their body parts without changing their position, and second animals move from one place to another. This kind of movement is called locomotion. तो पहला क्या हो जाएगा, without changing their position, and next they move from one place to another. Okay, so कुछ कुछ जैसे birds में कैसा होता है locomotion, they walk with legs on the grounds, right? Ducks and swans also swim in water. And flying adaptation में क्या हो जाएगा, streamlined body present है, bones with ear spaces, forelimbs modified into wings, ear sacs connected to lungs, and massive flight muscles are some adaptations in birds for flying, right? Fish में क्या हो जाएगा, they form loops alternatively on the two sides of the body and the vertebrae and the muscles attached to them work for it. Okay, snakes में क्या हो जाएगा, crawl करता है ना snake ground में. Okay, insect, the body and legs of insect have hard joint covering forming an exoskeleton. The muscles of the beast connected with 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings help the cockroach to walk and fly. And then snails. The snails are moved by the muscular foot and the hard unjoined shell have no relation with the foot. Okay, and then earthworm. The earthworm moves by alternate extension and contraction of the body affected by the muscles. The minute movable bristles help in gripping the ground, right? And then backbone. Backbone or vertebral column is composed of 33 small ring-like bones called vertebrae. It is a hollow bony tube. Okay, so I hope guys cartilage everything is done. I hope this is clear to you now. The whole chapter is clear to you now. If you have any doubts you can ask me directly in the comment section. Okay, and feel free to ask your doubts and queries, and stay tuned and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. Namaskar everyone.